Good evening, Mayor. Well, we're not as bad as what those areas were, but we're still under the flash flood watch, and this is until 7 p.m. tonight for all of the viewing area, excluding Vigo County. This does get cut off at the Indiana-Illinois border, but nonetheless, flooding can persist on both sides of that border, and rain will continue until 8 to 10 p.m. tonight. Again, this is only until 7 p.m., but the rain will continue much later than that. We should be lifted after that, though. But the difference between a flash flood warning is it means to take action. The flash flood watch, which is what we're under, means to be prepared because flooding chances are likely. And National Weather Service says turn around, don't drive. And as you can see from those conditions, it could be fatal and cars could be lifted and dragged down the street with those heavy flood conditions if they were to continue throughout the east central Illinois. But right now, SkyTrack is just showing some showers throughout the viewing area. There is more than what is being shown here, although sunshine is in Terre Haute, parts of Champaign, and we saw sunshine down in Robinson for just a little bit earlier, just about an hour ago. As we zoom out, we're going to backtrack on SkyTrack a little bit. This is going to show the progression from 3 p.m. on to now. As you can see, the system continues to just dissipate as it gets closer to our time currently right now, and will continue like that through the overnight hours. That's why I'm forecasting the rain to stop around 8, maybe even latest of 10 p.m. and not much coming after that, maybe just a drizzle or two. Area conditions, though, we're at 65 degrees here in Charleston. The sunshine is still in Champaign, Terre Haute. Other than that, the rain is going to persist up until 8 o'clock tonight. 69 is the high share between Paris, Terre Haute, and Robinson. We didn't beat the 70-degree mark. We fell just shy of that, even with the sunshine in Terre Haute. And other than that, we're below our average of 71 degrees, and we have been for a day or two now. Those wind speeds coming from the north in Decatur at 12 miles per hour. Champaign finally coming from the south at 13. Other than that, it remains calm in the single digits. Closest to double digits at Paris at 9 degrees coming out of the west. But coming from the southwest, once you factor in the winds coming from Charleston and then shifting out to the east. Headlines right now for the next 7 days. More rain is expected tonight, again ending around 10 p.m. Warmer temperatures for this weekend, and thunderstorms come next week. We'll begin the week even though we'll be closer to 80 degrees. This is Futurecast around 10 p.m. As you can see, most of the rain is done, although down to the south we can see a drizzle or two as the evening progresses. But come 9 a.m. tomorrow, the sun does return from Champaign County down into Christian County, and that's going to, well, that's short-lived. We are under mostly cloudy, even partly sunny. Depends on how your perspective is on it. Is it half full or half empty? We will have mostly cloudy skies, though, and then a shower does pop up on Friday around 10 p.m. I'm not forecasting this is going to be much. We could just see a drizzle or two. Nothing accumulating with that come 10 p.m. Overnight tonight, though, temperatures going to be around 50 degrees. The spotted showers will continue until 8 p.m. Winds coming out of the north, 10 to 15, could drop those temperatures. Join us again for Nightcap to see the latest on that information. Right now, though, I'm just forecasting 50 degrees, and these are the Futurecast rain totals until noon tomorrow. Again, this ends around 10 p.m. Now down to a tenth of an inch. We saw these closer to half an inch, but Futurecast rain totals keep updating and dropping those totals to tenth of an inch in Decatur, 2/10 in Champaign, the highest totals being in Terre Haute at 3/10 of an inch. And for your breakdown tomorrow here in Coles County will be cloudy, but the rain could be down to the south, starting off at 56 degrees. Meeting our daytime high of 68 come 3 p.m. Again, half full or half empty. I'm saying it's partly sunny, so I'm staying optimistic with this. And then come Saturday, light rain showers with a high of 65 degrees. Not much accumulating with this. But Sunday, get outside and enjoy the sunnier conditions at 72 degrees. I know I'm going to get out, go for a jog, because the showers come back on Tuesday, even though we're closer to 79 degrees. Wednesday, they consist down to 74. Overnight temperature for Tuesday night, close to 70 degrees. So it's looking like it's going to be a warm start to next week before we get back down to 72 degrees come Thursday.
Thanks, Philip.